So, poor John over here, he has the misfortune of sitting behind me when I do Gemmadocs calls, and I don't like shoddy housekeeping when that happens. So, we're going to do some art of subtraction today. That horizontal surface there has a habit of gathering an awful lot of crap. So, in the spirit of lean is the art of subtraction, we are subtracting that horizontal surface so it can't have any more rubbish on it. So John's going to post an after video in a minute. So here I am with poor John.
I am.
And we got rid of the offending shelf, didn't we?
Yep.
What else we do?
We added on this here, which is a long time test for the Fuji, the transmitter sort of.
That's what was just sitting on the shelf before, but now it has a proper home.
And I did a wee bit of cable tidying along here because of different accessories, phones and things to charge.
I like what you did there. That's nice. No, it's great. That'll save me hassling. Every time I do a call, I used to hassle John. But what's all that crap up there? And
all done.